This video is about the leftovers. Okay, I have my vegetables that I cooked. I have rice left and I have beans. With the beans, this would make a really good bean burrito. Nothing, and I have a half a can of these beans, and I have tea. So I used to work in salons, and so what happened one time is one of the girls said her son got food poisoning because the food had been in the refrigerator, and I guess he was hungry and he ate it and he got food poisoning. And it is so easy to avoid. If you don't get around to eating it, just throw it in the freezer. But carefully secure all the food. What I usually do is I mix this with water, and this is going to be like soup. I eat it with maybe crackers, and I eat this like soup. With this, I will make I'll make a bean burrito, and then, you know, I drink my leftover tea, like iced tea, and then I have a portion of rice and a portion of beans I could do something with. I could freeze. So I just wanted to mention that. Okay, so if you get into the habit of eating all your leftovers, it's strong that you're not going to be going without food either. You're not going to be wasting food. And as you can see from that cheap meal I made, I mean, I couldn't even estimate how cheap this would be. 50 cents. I don't know. Anyway, and I also have, let me show you, I have milk. This is canned milk, and I have 3 tortillas. So I will just wrap them in. What I do is I put everything in baggies, and it goes straight into the refrigerator. So, okay, you guys, see you tomorrow.